Hi guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. So today we are on a road trip to Brighton. I have wanted to go to Brighton for ages, and Chris actually bought me this, what we're actually going to Brighton for my Christmas present last year, and we are finally getting to go after being rescheduled twice thanks to COVID. So we are now off and we are ready. We've just left our house for the first time, which feels very, very bizarre, and we are now on our way. Just stopped for some petrol and then we are on the road. It says it would take about 3 hours from Norfolk, so fingers crossed we get no traffic and we arrive in bright and colourful Brighton. Oh my god, I've heard so many amazing things and I can't wait to go. Where we are staying, this is the kitchen. Comes with a little Smeg fridge on. This is literally the dream, isn't it? The Smeg fridge. And then this is the living room. Look at these prints, it's so pretty. And this is the bedroom. It's beautiful. And then this is a neon light. I haven't actually turned it on. Here we go. Let me show you. Are you ready? I really want one of these in our house, but I don't really know what I want it to say yet. But yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Such a nice little cozy area. And then out here, I love this wallpaper as well. We've got Serious House inspo from here. And then there's a little desk, a little Brighton sign. Then out the back is this little nook area, which is really, really cute. So you get these little 2 egg chairs. I think we want to get one of these egg chairs for our garden. They're so comfy. And then up here is a little area. So nice to have a little bit of outside space. A little table and chairs. This little area, which is so cozy. Do you laugh, Toads?
This is not farewell, this is just bonjour.
Actually had the best time. I couldn't have asked for anything more. We had such a nice night last night at the Only Fools and Three Courses event. That was so much fun. And then literally done so much. We've been vintage shopping, got a cushion for the new house, got a print for the new house yesterday at the lanes. So yeah, I feel like we have done a lot, seen a lot. We're absolutely exhausted, but I think it's just the week has been an exhausting week with the move. We are now going to take the stuff back to the car because we pay for the car back till 4 o'clock. The only thing I'll say about Brighton is the car parking is absolutely astronomical. We've paid like £40 for like 2 days. So we are now going to take the stuff back to the car, then go and get some breakfast, then hunt around some other vintage shops that we didn't get to see, and then we're going to head back. It's been such a nice time, and I'm actually really excited to go back to our house because it's been, like, it'll be the first time that we actually go back to our house as opposed to the flat. So it'll be really, really nice. I had an amazing weekend. I'm going to continue to vlog anyway what we get up to this morning, but I just wanted to check in because I haven't spoken a lot. Shopped out, we managed to get 2 cushions and a jumper. Now it's off home, back to our house. We're now about to try the first colour sample on the wall. We're going to go for green on this wall. We're not too sure whether it's going to go on all walls, but we want to see just how it reflects. So we've got one Farramball colour, which is Yearbridge green, or Bancher. Bancher. And then the other one is Fenwick and Tilbrook
Goujon Vert.
So let's put it on the wall. I like this one.
Here's the yellow sofa for reference.
Can we switch?
Yeah. I prefer this one, the Fenwick.
See.
So Fenwick is a local Norfolk version of
Farramball. Similar quality.
Yeah, supposed to be similar quality. It's slightly cheaper for the bigger tins, so we thought we'd give this a go.
Let's see what it looks like in the pot.
Slightly darker, more green,
I
think.
More blue base, isn't it, than that one, I think? That one's got more of a yellow base. Here we go.
Is that a good amount?
Yeah. Oh, it's quite blue, isn't it? What do you think?
I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is more green. I prefer this one.
I prefer the other one.
This is best argument. I think the one on the left does go better with the sofa. Obviously it's late in the day at the moment, so it's a bit darker, but this is a hard adulting decision.
Good morning. So it's actually been a while since I came on here and spoke to you. We got back from Brighton on Sunday. It was absolutely amazing. The best trip we have probably ever done. I really enjoyed it. It lived up to the hype. Everyone was like, you're gonna love Brighton, and I genuinely did. It was just so much fun. And then yesterday, spontaneously decided to just start painting my dressing room. I had some scuffs on the wall, and I really just wanted to just start putting a stamp on the house. I don't really know what colour I'm going to be painting this room, but for the moment I'm just going to paint it white and then see how I get on with it. So I gave it one coat of white yesterday. I think it looks really nice. It looks really fresh compared to the rest of the house, because the rest of the house is kind of a like magnolia colour, and I'm thinking of doing a like section here where my mirror is going to be with a wallpaper section. I'm waiting for some samples to come from that. I don't really know what I want, so I've kind of ordered, I think, 7 or 8 different ones, depending on what's going to look good, because obviously this house is really wonky. We have to take that into account when we do wallpapering, and I don't want to wallpaper the whole section. I just literally want to do that section here, this bit here. It gives like a kind of separation to the room. And then this area is going to be where I film videos and reels and things, so I kind of want that to be plain. I bought basic Leyland walls and ceilings, white paint, nothing special, just to kind of get a coat onto the walls, and then we'll see how we get on. But I really enjoyed it. Absolutely covered in paint yesterday. Absolutely covered. I really enjoy painting. It kind of chills me out and gives me a focus. I think I might paint. I saw someone on my stories yesterday, I think it was, painted the back of their door, like the frame bit blue and then the door pink. I'm thinking I may be doing that, like introducing a bit of colour, but not like wow, because I think people expect it to be like super colourful. But I think once I've got the feature of the wallpaper on that wall, and then maybe the door a different colour, I don't think I'll need much more colour in here. That's famous last words, isn't it? Oh my god, it's hot. Just finished my second coat of the walls. They look so good. Really impressive. It makes it just look so much brighter in here. I'm thinking maybe changing the colour of the skirting to maybe a blue or a pink. Well, actually it depends really on what wallpaper I get, but I've just got an email saying the samples have been dispatched, so hopefully they'll come very soon, so we can start getting planning. I'm so excited for this room. I feel like this is going to be my happy space where I get to put all of my outfits together and just feel really girly. We just had some lunch in the garden that was so nice. It's small things like that that you don't realise how amazing they are, because we've been like literally been in a flat with no outside space, and now we can sit outside and we can eat our lunch and it's sunny, and oh my god, it was just so good. I did manage to cut my finger on the paint roller thing when I was cleaning it out, and I've got paint absolutely everywhere. Now going to top up my chairs. A couple of them got damaged, like moving. I have just made my first reel. Our brunch sign has arrived for the kitchen. Actually, I'll go and show you that. And it just looks so cute. I just love the kitchen. The kitchen is my favourite room so far. And then I think this one's going to be once it's all finished. So the kitchen, look at the tables. I absolutely love this table. The chair paint is from Annie Sloan. The table mats are from Oliver Bonus. The jug is from Oliver Bonus. The salt and pepper are from Le Creuset. Just looks so nice. And the tablecloth is from Tiger. And then this is the brunch sign. It's got a really sparkly egg. Sunny it is today. Not a cloud in the sky.